Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to coil and see your kinky twist. First of all, you want to get your bending rollers. Then you will take your hair 4 or 5 strands, then roll it around your bending rollers. After that, you bend your rollers. Just bend it into any direction and it's just going to stay on your hair. And you can also use your perm rod as well to coil your hair. You take another side, it will come out the same coils as well. You will coil it the same way as you have used your bending rollers. Roll your hair across the bending rollers. After that, you take the white bit of the perm rod and put it across to secure it. And now you will put it inside your hot water. Be very careful. Make sure you have your towel before you put it inside your hot water so that you can catch it with the hair. Don't forget when you're coiling your hair that you don't coil it up to where your hair stops. Make sure you're not coiling it up to where your hair stops so that your hair doesn't break. You can unravel one of your braid so that you can know where your hair stops, because you're not supposed to be putting your hair inside hot water. If you are doing a short kinky twist, then make sure you're not coiling it up to where your hair stop so that you don't have breaking hair. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button to get notice of when my next video will be out. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like my video and leave a comment in the comment section to let me know what you like about my video. See you. Bye.